Dear student, in the last class we have discussed about the quantum numbers, right? So quantum numbers are these are the numbers. They are introduced to study the overall view about the electron present in the orbit, right? So that means everything about the electron, and there are four quantum numbers. Those are principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, and the spin quantum number. So these are the four different quantum numbers. Among them, we have already explained. I have already explained a principal quantum number. And principal quantum number is denoted by a small n, right? And the significance of this principal quantum number will be what? Significance of principle. It was discovered by Niels Bohr, right? And it is represented by a small n with the number n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, or with the letter K, L, M, N, right? So, and significance of this, that means after seeing the principal quantum number, what we come to know is nothing but what is the size and energy of the electron, right? So this is all about the principal quantum number. Already we saw in the last class, but today in the today's class we will go with the azimuthal quantum number. Number 2, second quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, right? So significance are very important here. So who discovered those questions? They will not ask in your examination. But the thing is significance. That means with this, with this particular quantum number, what we come to know about the electron. That is the very important part over here, right? So it was discovered by Arnold. It was discovered by Arnold Sommerfeld, right? Arnold Sommerfeld, right? The scientist called Arnold. Actually, it is Arnold, right? Arnold Sommerfeld. Arnold double N. It is Arnold Sommerfeld. That is, he discovered the azimuthal quantum number, and it is represented by letter L. Representations are very important. It is represented by letter small l, we can say, right? It is represented by letter small l. And here, if we go in detail, L is equal to n minus 1, right? L is equal to n minus 1, first point. And L value may be, L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. See, L is equal to n minus 1 means it is n value starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. N value starts from, that means principal quantum number value starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. But here n value starts from, that means azimuthal quantum number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. That means here what is the difference between L and N means, that means principal quantum number as well as the azimuthal quantum number means the principal quantum number always has one extra number as compared to the azimuthal quantum number, right? So it signifies, that means what is its significance? This is most important. Significance. It signifies about the, right, shape of orbit. It signifies, it signifies shape of orbit, right? Whether it is a s orbit, p orbit, d orbit, right? And with respect to them, they having their particular shapes, right? So now see here, right? It signifies about what? Shape. But the principal quantum number, size and energy. Right? Don't forget. So again, if we go in detail about this only, then we can have this chart, orbit, right? Value of L, that means value of L and shape, right? See, orbit. If the orbit is S orbit, then value starts from why? Because S orbit is starts from 0. That means just now I have shown you 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. That means compare it with the N value 1, 2, 3, 4. So now wherever there is a N is equal to 1, L is equal to what? 0. Why? Because L is equal to N minus 1. Compare now. L, if N value is 1, then 1 minus 1. L value will be always 0. Right? So now see, S orbit value will be 0. Right? And shape will be what? Shape always spherical. Already we know. That means shape of it is spherical. If it is P, then value will be 1, and whose shape will be dumbbell shape, right? So we can have it dumbbell shape, dumbbell shape, dumbbell shape. And now coming to D value will be what? D value will be 2, and now double dumbbell, dumbbell. What about F? F value will be 3, but unpredictable. It is unpredictable. Still, the studies are going on the F orbit. So this is all about the Azymuth quantum number, right? So now coming to the third one. The third is magnetic quantum number, right? So third quantum number will be magnetic quantum number. So magnetic quantum number is represented with what? Small m only. It is very simple. Small m only they will represent this. And now it is discovered by a scientist called Landé. Right? The scientist Landé, who discovered this magnetic quantum number, and it is denoted by a letter m. It is denoted by letter small m, and m is nothing but, and m is equal to 2l plus 1, right? So this is the formula you must and should remember, right? So what about l is equal to n minus 1, and m is nothing but 2l plus 1. So these are very important when we will discuss about the choice questions, then we will go with this, right? So you just remember m is nothing but 2l plus 1, and now the value of m ranges from, that means the value of magnetic quantum number ranges from, the value of magnetic quantum number ranges from plus L to 0 minus L, right? Or plus 1, I think it is. So we will see. Yes, it is plus 1, not L. Plus 1 to 0 minus 1. What is this? We will see later, right? So the m value always ranges from plus 0 and minus. Understood? Plus 0 and minus, right? And it signifies what is its significance? Significance is nothing but here, significance of it is, right, orientation. It explains about the orientation, dear student, right? Don't forget this. It explains about the orientation, right? So this is all about magnetic quantum number. And next, coming to see spin quantum number. Later there is a spin quantum number, last one, right? Spin quantum number, it is very simple. Spin quantum number, fourth one, you just remember, and it is denoted by S, right? It is discovered by Samuel Goudsmit. It is discovered by Samuel Goudsmit. Sorry, Samuel Goudsmit, the scientist who has discovered this, and it is represented with a small s, I mean yes, and then if electron spin is clockwise, right? If electron spin is clockwise, clockwise means up direction. See, in orbit, electron we always write like this, right? Understood? So if the spin of electron is clockwise, clockwise means this one, this type, right? I will show you over here like this. If it is like this, that means clockwise. Whenever there is a up direction electron is there, that its spin will be always clockwise. If electron spin is clockwise, then S value will be, then S value is plus half, right? If spin is, the electron spin is, if electron spin is anti-clockwise, sorry, power has gone, anti-clockwise, then S value will be always, anti-clockwise means like this. If your direction is downward, then S value will be always minus half, right? Right? And what is its significance is nothing but it explains about the spin of electron, right? And its significance is spin of electron. Its significance is spin of electron. Significance. It signifies about spin of electrons, right? Sorry, power has gone. I wanted to take still more, right? But in the next class we will continue this, right? Thank you.